Hello, Falady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl Falady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So, Mzansi Magic cancels Isitembe. So, this is some sort of bad news. So, basically, no matter how creative and groundbreaking as a television show, if it doesn't strike a strong chord with the audience, then it's likely to fail. Such in the case regarding Mzansi Magic's drama series Isitembiso. After failing shots with a little above 500,000 viewership, this marks clearly didn't sit well with the powers that be at the station, which then resulted in the cancellation for further reasons. According to Isolezo, the current season will end in April 2020 after having a run for 3 seasons. In the article, it was also stated that according to the Broadcast Research Council of South Africa, Isitembiso was competing with other soapies such as Isikandal. These two shows occupied 7:30 p.m. slots, with Scandal leading a whopping 6 million viewership. So the publication reviewed confirmation from one of Bomb Productions executives, Angus Gibson. Yes, I can confirm that the current season will not be renewed for further seasons. Viewers can expect memorable storytelling in these remaining 6 months. In Isitembiso birth, the acting careers of mostly like Zamani Mbatha and Nandi Mbatha. These two talented stars both hail from KwaZulu-Natal. Yes, KwaZulu-Natal rocks. So anyway, as a company, Bomb Productions has another stable project on Mzansi Magic as Isibaya. The particular project has been in the works since the inception and grown stronger over the years. So it is bad news for abathandi besithembiso, guys, as it izogcina ngonyaka ozayo, ngeke siphinde sibe namanye ama-seasons alandelayo emva kwalokho. So guys, it's sad news for Isithembiso viewers and lovers, but that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. I love you.